Hi, and thanks for watching this video about Accountant's Desktop. Over the next few minutes, we'll show you how a partner in an accounting practice could use the resources on our website on a typical day. If you like this video, please give it the thumbs up below. And don't miss any of our future videos by clicking on the subscribe button. Sam receives an email from a valued small business client who is considering selling his business, and he wants a valuation. Sam collects all the relevant information and downloads our business valuations calculator to assess the value of the business using the capitalization of earnings method. He receives a call from a client who has applied for an overdraft. The bank has asked him to provide a cash flow forecast. Sam opens our cash flow forecast workbook and prepares the forecast from the most recent set of accounts and his client's advice. He then receives a call from a client who is leasing a new motor vehicle. The client has been told that there are minimum residual values for the lease to be accepted by the ATO. Sam gets that information from our rates module. Next, he meets with a long-term client who wants help in improving the profitability of her business. He downloads our Profit Manager workbook to project and test different scenarios which will increase net profit. He then receives a call from a client who has problems managing his company's cash flow due to mounting tax debts. Sam uses our tax money calculator to show his client how much to set aside for future tax liabilities. Next, he meets with a small business client for some tax planning. He opens our tax thermometer page to show him a graphical illustration of the different tax rates applying to various entities. He then opens our tax planning calculator, which he had prepared for the meeting, to show the client projected profit to the end of the financial year, calculation of tax expected for the year, measures he is proposing to minimise the overall tax burden, and tax saved by these measures. Later, he prepares a return for his sister, who has used her line of credit to run her business and pay for personal expenses. Sam uses our mixed loan calculator to quickly apportion interest on the various components of that loan. He then receives a call from a client with several highly paid workers. The client wants to know the maximum contribution base for superannuation guarantee purposes. Sam goes to our rates module to look up this amount for the current year. Next, he reviews a set of accounts for a butcher prepared by Alex, his senior accountant, and he noticed that goods taken for private use had not been accounted for in the profit and loss statement. Sam goes to our rates module to look up how much should be shown in the accounts for that year. He then meets with a client who wants advice on purchasing a specific rental property. Sam had previously received the relevant information about the property from the client and had entered it to our property investment calculator to analyse the financial and taxation outcomes arising from the proposed investment. Thanks for watching this video showing how Sam uses our site. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give it the thumbs up below. And don't miss any of our future videos by clicking on the subscribe button. Our contact details are shown on the screen, so please feel free to contact us for any further information.